Yeah, it is. It's one from me. It's one of those out of front.
It's one of those what?
Open box.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she tried to put it back together. She put the bow back on. Oh, never mind.
Oh, what'd you find in there, Callie? Another Dora?
No.
You like the bowl?
Heavens, did Aaron get for Shay?
We'll see.
She's getting that present.
Heavy. Yay for Callie! Opening toys. All by her lonesome. Break it.
True. What is it? Huh? You may want to get Mom to help you. Maybe it'll keep you from opening anything else.
Kristen says, no. You keep going, Callie.